Is your soldering iron damaged and no longer working properly? Are you thinking about buying a new one? Don't rush. With just a few simple items found in every household, I'll show you how to revive it and bring it back to life. Let's check out this tip. One of the most important parts of a soldering iron is the tip. After long-term use, the tip becomes covered with rust and residue, which prevents heat from transferring effectively. This is the main reason why the soldering iron no longer works properly. First, I remove the soldering tip to begin the restoration process. I attach it to a drill and use sandpaper to clean off the built-up residue. After a short time, the surface becomes much smoother and cleaner. Next is a very important step. I will create a simple tool to clean it more deeply. I take a small plastic bottle cap, mark 3 positions, and drill 3 small holes. Then I insert 2 7 cm long bolts, 5 mm size, into 2 of the holes and secure them with washers and nuts. Next, I attach 2 alligator clips to these bolts. Then, I make a small coil using a 20 cm copper wire, which will act as an electrode. After that, I prepare a small plastic container and fill it halfway with water. The next key ingredient is salt. I add about 2 spoons of salt into the water to create a conductive solution. Once the solution is ready, I place the modified cap onto the container. 1 alligator clip is connected to the copper coil, and the other is attached to the soldering tip that was previously cleaned. Next, I use a 12V battery and connect its terminals to the 2 bolts on the cap using wires. During the process, I also spray a small amount of WD-40 into the solution through a small opening to enhance the cleaning effect. Now the process begins. The electric current from the battery creates a reaction similar to electrolysis. You can see bubbles forming around the soldering tip, and the water gradually turns darker as impurities are removed. After some time, the rust and buildup on the tip are completely cleaned. Finally, I take the tip out, dry it, and reinstall it to test the soldering iron. As you can see, it is now working normally again. What do you think about this tip? Don't forget to subscribe to discover more useful restoration and DIY methods. Good luck!